If you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. And there's also story time in between. And I used this base to create this look. Keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Simply Makeup. There is a truck running outside and I hope it doesn't disturb us today because we are here to empower, something by my mouth, and to make sure we're here to empower and to uplift someone. Today I am going to use the Blends Bunny palette again to create a simple eyeshadow look. Keep watching so you can see how this look turns out. This palette is just pretty and I wanted to use it one more time. I want to give a shout out to a wonderful person I had the opportunity of talking to. You know who you are. I want to say thank you very much. Very, very much for you and I getting to talk yesterday over email. I don't have to meet you for me to say hello or to talk to you. I appreciate what you did for me and I want to say thank you very much. If you're watching this video, you are loved by me. Not for what you did, but because I love people. So I'm just using the brown from the I'm using the brown from the Blends Bunny. I just want to create a simple eye look. You notice my eyebrow? I'm trying to grow them back. I was like, I have not seen what my eyebrow look like in a long time because I shave it small all the time. So I want to see what it looks like. So we'll see. Countdown to my birthday. Oh my God, my birthday is soon. I did not plan this eye look. I opened the palette this morning. These are the three colors calling my name. I mean, I just couldn't get my eyes off them, so we're playing in them. Let us see. So that noise, if you can hear it in the background, is just like I said, there's a truck outside. I guess they're dropping off something for I guess they're dropping off something for the neighbor. So that's the noise. Now this is the orange that I just put on here. I am truly enjoying this palette. This is my second impression. Second time I'm using it and I am loving it. The first color brown is called Soil. The second color, which is orange, is called Untamed. And the third color is called Huntress. It's the red. Again, I don't have my glasses on, so hopefully I'm saying the words and the names correctly. I think I'll have to use a shimmer out of there. This palette have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. I gotta put a shimmer with this. I gotta put a shimmer with this. Oh, a little fun fact about me. I I remember years ago when I was getting married for the first time, I still have little scars on it. You see right here on my nose? That's a scar from it. And I have a couple more. They were deeper. I know I have one under my eye somewhere. Oh, this right here is one, and I have one in my eyebrow over here. Sometimes when you see my eyebrow, you'll see like I have a little dent in it. This is a scar from it also. It was a week before my first wedding back in St. Thomas. I don't remember the year. I went to sleep and I was fine. I woke up in the middle of the night, scratching, itchy, scratching everything, but you know, I'm like, I'm not gonna wake up and open my eyes. I just feel lazy. So I was like, I'll find out what is so bothering me the next day. So I lay down there and I went to sleep, but still scratching. I was like, there is no way I'm gonna get up from this bed. I am too comfortable right now to get up from this bed. So I scratched until I guess went to sleep. The next day, I woke up and I walked towards the bathroom and I was like, what happened to my face? I had bumps everywhere, and the ones I scratched, you can see they are like all peeled. I could not understand what was going on with me. I mean, my face was covered with bumps, big balls of bumps. I was like, oh my God. So I called my job and I tell them, I cannot come to work, I have to go to the doctor because I'm itchy all over. And when I decided to take a shower, I noticed I had bumps like all over myself. I say, okay, went to the doctor. He's like, you get chicken pox. I think I was between 20 and 21. He said I had chicken pox. And because I scratch them, they leave scars. So I have chicken pox scars. I have them different parts of my body because, like I say, I was too lazy to wake up and see why I was so itchy. I just kept scratching until I fall asleep. So for my wedding day, by then, he gave me Benadryl to stop the itching. And by the time it was time to get married, I was okay because he said I'm fine and stuff like that. But it was crazy because those scars were so visible at the time because they were still fresh. Chicken pox before my wedding day. Oh my God, that is crazy. But that happened to me. I don't know. today's look from Blend the Bunny Cosmetic Premium Palette. And today's inspirational encouraging word is disruption. What disruption do you have in your life that needs to be addressed? Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And go out and have a fabulous day. And Simply Your Makeup V is saying bye.